Hey guys, back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Minecraft server, a Java Minecraft server basically. Okay, so first go on your preferred browser. Now search up Minecraft /servers. Then you have to wait for a sec. Second, okay, I scored. I got on the page. Servers download. Then it'll probably be on the first link. Now, okay, guys. Now, I'm in a server right now. I'm just showing you how to try right here. Okay. So go. Okay, right click and go on new and press folder. You have to create a new folder. Like create whatever you want. It could be Minecraft. It could just be Minecraft.
Fire station this afternoon. When Caillou and his friends arrived at the fire station, they all ran straight to the big fire trucks.
Hey there, kids. It's great to have you all here visiting the fire station.
Okay, guys, my sister just put on some like video.
We can later. But there's a
Okay,
lot to learn
so
about fire safety first.
you have to press download Minecraft _ server.1.12.2.jar. Like it says that this file on the computer is mine is Minecraft. This is the Minecraft website, yo.
Wow. Looks like we've got fighter
Okay.
right here. What do you think, Sparky? Can he join the team?
Wait.
As you've already seen, here are all our uniforms, which are very special. Fire is so hot. When we wear these, we're extra protective.
Okay, now get this and drag it into your new Minecraft folder. Now you can X this out. Actually, never mind. No, let me go back here. I need it. Never mind. You need this. Okay, now open Minecraft. Now you have to go on new text documents. Then you go on server file. Server file. I misspelled it. It's a typo. Edit. Now you see right here this pink handwriting Java whatever. Nagi. Copy this. Paste. File. Save as. Server file. .bat. You can name it whatever you want, but it has to have that .bat. It has to have .bat. Okay. You only need these two files to power on this. So now open this file. Open server 1. Now I'll give you logs. The EULA. Okay. Now do you know why this is opening? Because you didn't accept to the EULA. So open the EULA. Now instead of false, do true. True. File save. Now to X that out. Then you open the server file again. Open it again. It will load. It's loading right now. It will load and load and load. I'll keep loading. 30, 34. It'll just load until it comes to 100. Okay, so yep, you're done with the server now. You can go /op whatever. You can do whatever you want. Now all you need to do is add an IP and do all these fun stuff, and yeah. So guys, that's literally be the end of the video. I know this video is pretty short, but okay, sorry. I'll post another video next week. Sorry. Bye. See you guys. Stay tuned.